Rep, ball game rep. This is our second match, Inter-Street category at Takure versus Alidia. For his position, oh, Kalidia. Director Sablan, too strong, top. Now, rebound Takure. Too strong, rebound University James. To Sabiliano. Now the director Sablan. Same ball, top by Pasal. It's 9 minutes, 20 seconds. Sir James makes, Sir James drive, coast to coast, foul. Foul on number 84 on Takure. First, against Takure. Sir James. Balingit, right, Balingit! Foul. Foul on number 1. First on Caldia. Still our score, 8-0. This is our second game, second match. Inter-Street category, Kalidia versus Takure. Now, Sir James to Sabiliano. Sabiliano. Looking for Alerton. Alerton, Dasan Alerton, top. Now, 14 to shoot. The director Sablan, the director. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sablan! It's 3-0. Pasal. Too strong. Rebound for Sir James. Now Sir James, Sir James, Sir James, go, Sir James! Block! Nice rebound. Now Pasal. It's 3-2, 2-3. 2-7. Drive, goes, drive, yeah. Oh! In and out again by Sablan. Now 8 minutes. Now King James. Looking for Sablan. Sablan. King James drives, same spot, King James again! Too strong! Now it's 4-5, 5-4 goes to Sablante! Yes, on Sablante, now 2-3. 1 point lead on Kalidia. Baseball bat, same spot, fake, Sir James again, short! Same ball. 3 attempt by Sir James. It's 7 minutes, 32 seconds. Rebounding Sabiliano. Alarcon. First basket, too strong. Rebound Balingit. It's 2-1. Pasal, fake. Pasal, nice pass down side. Whoa! What a pass coming from Pasal. 4-3. 1 point lead out. Takure.
Ganun lang, pre. Habol.
Short.
Saba.
Foul. Foul on number 28. Time out on Kalidia.
Lang yun. Masyado kang ano. Damdam. Damdam.
Six minutes and 50 seconds. 4 against 3. Now Sablan. Nice steal. Same ball, same ball. Short. Now Sablan. Nice steal by Suplente. Side step, goes to goal. Suplente now 5-6-3. 3-point lead now on Takure.
Ready, silalim, Pino. Isa.
Yan. Sabihin mo kasi Richard, sabihin ko until third quarter, ha?
Anyways ko na.
Ha?
Anyways ko na. Sabi ko, lagi ko na sa inyo.
Puspalet. Foul on number 24. Second team foul on Takure.
May isa pa. Box, pre, box muna. Awak. Pasa. Pre, baba mo. Sige.
FD.
Box, pre.
Short. Yes, now 8-3. Whoa! Another goal. 8-5. 8-7.
Tama, sir, tama.
8-7.
8-7.
1 point lead on Takure.
Kaya, 3 minutes. Time mo. 3 minutes. Bola. Pre, pwesta silalim, pre. Silalim.
8-7.
Yan na, pisa bola.
Brolio. Oh! Basket's count on 1 and Brolio. Foul on Sablan. Second team foul on Galicia first on Sablan. It's 10-7. 3-point lead on Takure.
Box. Apa? Sige. Wala.
James.
Pre, ito kabila.
Sablan. Favorite shot. Too strong. Rebound top.
Sige, diretso. Kate.
In and out. Now Brolio. 14 shoots.
Ay, grabe.
Whoa! 12-7.
Sige lang. Meron.
Nice move. Drive. Foul. Foul on Pasad. 13 foul. Correct.
Time out kayo pag 3 minutes ha. Time out kayo.
First on Pasad.
Boss Mike, nagbilang na ba? May dating na? Bilang? Tapos na?
Alin?
Eight 12. 4-point lead on Takore.
Uy, tulak pre.
Sir James.
Kitang-kita. Uy.
Yes, on Sir James. 12-10. It's 2-point lead on Takore. It's 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, Priolo.
Set, pre, set. Yan. Teka.
In and out. Rebound ng Sir James. Alarcon.
Pumasok set, time out kami. Uy, traveling!
Traveling violation, traveling. Time out. On Takore. Strong 10. 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
Ito sa Kalibia si James, si taga-Tapur yun, di ba? Kaya na, confuse ako. Kalibia.
Riolo. Nice fake. Pasag. In and out. Too strong. Rebound again on Riolo. 46 seconds for team. 3 minutes. Gibara. Oh, back-to-back turnover against Calidia. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds first quarter. 12 against 10. 2-point lead on Takore. Again, air ball. Baseball pass, intercepted. Nice move. To Palingit.
Aywa, libros.
Whoa! Baling hits! 14 to 10. 2 minutes and 20. Sablan. James. Stop. In and out again in James. Now, Priolo. Looking for Pasag. Pasag all alone. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Pasag. 17 to 10. 7-point lead on Takore. Steal! Sabiliano. Crossover. Sabiliano. Yo-yo mo short. Sabiliano again play. Looking for Sabiliano. In and out. King James. King James. Rebound on King James. 14 seconds shot clock. Now, Pasag. Our ball, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now, Sablan. Yo-yo move, Sablan. 12 against 70. 5-point lead on Takore. It's 1 minute and 20 seconds. Fourteen to shoot. Oh! Aladia ball, 1 minute. Now, King James, side step, is strong. Riolo. Whoa, 19 to 12. 7-point lead now, Takore. Sablan. Right. Traveling violation, traveling. 35 seconds, 35. Pasag. Short. Short again. King James. 25 seconds. Balak, may balingit. Sabiliano. In and out. Sablan again. Take, Sablan. Foul. Oh, offensive foul on Sablan. 13 foul on Kalilia. 13 seconds, 13 seconds. Second personal foul on Director Sablan. Palingit, 10 seconds. 5. Basket count. Now 14-19. And now for first quarter. Second quarter ready, second quarter. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Siyam lang kayo? Richard, siyam lang kayo? Siyam? Sampo?
Balingit.
Sampo? Sampo, siyam? Hindi, dapat pasok ka muna.
Lapasin mo na sa balingit. Red.
Kasi walang sub yan eh. Second quarter sir, wala tayong sub. Kasi walang sub eh. Sir, di nga pwede sir. Palaruin muna natin sila na hindi nakalaro. Eh, di natin additional ng 10 points nyo. Plus 5 nyo. Nasa inyo yan. Kasi may plus 5 kayo. Kasi 10 kayo eh. Kung di maglaro isa, di siyam lang kayo. Sayang yung 5 points nyo.
Warning on. Ako rin for delaying the game.
Binigay ko na sa'yo ah. Malaki pa rin? Para 10 kayo. Para mga plus 5 kayo. Dala mo sana. Dala mo sana. Nandyan? Nandyan? Pakuha mo. Basta plus 5 pakuha mo. Laruin mo na yan. Nandyan sa jersey niya eh. Pakita mo lang. Pakita mo lang sa kanila.
Intent pa yung uniform niya?
Yeah.
Grabe naman.
Richard. Agol. Too strong. Rebound on Alcon. Sabillano. Ibarra. Sablan. Favorite shot. Bang! On Sablan. 19-17. 2-point lead na on Takure. Arangues, side step, nice pass, downside, cut. Rebound ng Guevara. Sablanao. Sablan, guarded by Gold. Stop, pump. Sabiliano. Yes, on Sabiliano, 19-all. First deadlock of the game. It's Caladia against Takore. Interstate category. By Basket Police, ha? Now, Richard. Sir Gold. In and out, top by Guevara. Now, March. To Sablan. Same spot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sablan. Now 22 against 19. 3-point lead on Calidia.
Two time.
Now Arangues. Sir Richard. Air ball. Now Sablan again. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Sabiliano, stop, pump, fake. Nice pass, Guevara. Too strong. Rebound on Takure. Now she'll go to Arangues. Side step, coast to coast, in and out. Rebound again. Nice fake, downside, short. Top by Guevara. Baseball pass. March. Nice pass to Leo Aragon. The putter, Aragon, 24 against 19. 5-point lead on Calidia. Arangues. Pass to Sir Gold. Sir Richard. 10 to shoot. 10. Sablan beyond. 7 minutes. In and out. Rebound on Sir Gold. To Arangues. Arangues. Again. Loose ball by Arangues. Now March. March is 3-2. March pass to Foul. Foul on Sir Gold. Time out. On Takure. First personal foul on Sir Gold. First on Takure. It's 6 minutes and 51 seconds. This is our second game, second match. Caladia versus Takure. Our Interstate category by Basket Police. We throw shot given by the Retro Sablan. Rebound, no, Takure. Now Arangues. Nice pass outside. Jetta, foul. Foul on Guevara. Second personal foul against Guevara. First team foul, Caladia. In 6 minutes and 28 seconds. to 24. 4-point lead now, Calidia. Air ball, rebound on your goal. Now Arangues. It's 3-on-3. Arangues, drive, Arangues, side step, pass to si Richard. Short! Now Sabiliano. Leo, third Leo. Gusto di ba agad third Leo? Wow! Foul! Foul on the father Leo. Second team foul on Calidia.
Time out daw.
First on The power Alarcon. Now, Arangues. Neta, pass Arangues, 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 short jumper, short. Arangues again. Goal. Too strong. Oh, loose ball. 5 minutes and 29 seconds. 24. Time out! Time out! Time out on Caledia. It's 24 against 20. Both teams now without timeouts. Now Sabiliano. Short. Now Arangues. Sergol. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sergol! 24-23, 1 point lead now against Caledia. Sabiliano. Sablan. Too strong. Rebound on Arangues. Ah, steal on Sablan. It's 4-on-1. Sablan, side-step, Sablan drive, Sablan, Sablan! What again by Sablan, 26-23. Back to 3-point lead on Caledia. Whoa! Back-to-back turnover again on Tagore. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Sabiliano. Air ball, too strong. Now it's 4-2. Arangues, Arangues, zigzag Arangues! In and out, Sabiliano. Oh! Too strong. Sablan again. Whoa! Sablan, 28-23. 5-point lead back to Caledia. Now, Richard. Arangues, first attempt, first 3 points, too strong. Rebound again to Gre. 14 to set, 14. Short. Nice steal, Arangues. Arangues now. Ano po ba Arangues now? March. March drive. Leo, Alarcon, too strong. Sablan again, Sablan. Yes, on Sablan, 30-23, 3 minutes. 7-point lead now on Caledia. Steal again on Caledia. March. It's 3-2. March, I step left-handed March. Yes, on March, 32-23. 9-point lead on Caledia. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Arangues. Again, too strong. Tap. Rebound by Guevara. Guevara. It's Sabiliano. In and out. Rebound by Arangues. It's 3-on-1. Wow! Short again. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Short. Takuri mo. Takuri. 2 minutes and 15. Now, Sergol. Pass to Sir Richard. Arangues. Again in and out. Ow! Foul. Foul on number 2. On Guevara. Third team foul on Caledia. Third personal foul on Guevara. It's 1 minute and 50 seconds. 24-32. 25 to 32. Back to 7-point lead on Calidia. It's 1 minute and 46 seconds. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sabeliano. Arangues. Chinita, short. Save ball, 1 minute and 20 seconds. 14 is set at 14. Ow! How? Foul on number 21. On Sablan. Warning for penalty on Calidia.
Sablan third person.
Third personal foul on the director of Sablan is 35 to 26. Back to 9-point lead on Calidia.
Warning penalty.
Short. Whoa! 28 to 35. Back to 7-point lead. Tactical foul on Calidia. Free throw shot given by Gita. Now 29 to 35. 6-point lead on Calidia. It's 57 seconds. Short. Ibarra. Too strong. 40 seconds. Foul. Wow. Offensive foul on number 00 on Junita. First on Junita. First, second team foul on the correct. 35 seconds. This is our second match, second game. Enter street category. Naibas Police, ha? Takure versus Calidia. 30 seconds. Whoa! 22 seconds.
Last shot.
15. 10. Foul. 3 seconds. 3. Foul on number 10. 13 foul on Takure.
Lara.
First on Lara. 36 to 29. 3 seconds. Baskets count. It's 39-38 against the 29. Third quarter ready.
Plus 5 kayo, sir, ha? Plus 5 sila dito, plus 5. Si Leo, plus 5 sila. Okay, may jersey siya. Si Richard, pakita mo jersey nila. Pakita mo. Ayan, malaki kasi malaki.
Third quarter.
Plus 5 kayo, 29 add natin, ha? 34. Kasi 10 kayo.
Now score 34-38. Third quarter. Calidia ball. Calidia.
Apat na lang, ha? 4 points yun ang lamang nila. Plus 5 kayo, plus 5.
Calidia ball. Calidia.
Last spot sila. Kulang kayo.
Ball clear. March. Ibarra. Steal by Priolo. Malingit. Pasal. Too strong. Ibon again now, Priolo. Priolo. Kali dia ball, kali dia. Now March. Sir James. Too strong. Tap. Ibarra.
Ay,
Takore ball. Takore. Nice defense against Takore.
dala din na.
In 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Still 38 against the 34.
Yung luma. Bago yan eh. Adulas. Yung luma, yung luma. Ito. Kung gusto niya yan. Madulas eh, madulas.
Now Balingit to Pasad. Chalende. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 37 to 38. 1 point lead now on Galidia. Now Gibara. Alarcon. Igor Maset. Pass to James. Sir James. King James. 14 to 37. 8 minutes. Back to 3 point lead on Galidia. Pasal. Short. Air ball. March. It's 3 on 2. 3 on 3. March. Sagsag. Yeah, he's still on the Still another cone. March. Pay. King James. Whoa! King James. 42. 237. Now Balingit. Pasag. Pass to Mida. Pasag again. Pasag. Pasag. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Pasag. 14 to 42. Back to 2 point lead on Calidia. Now March. Alarcon. Too strong. Rebound on Ginita. Now 42. Goes, goes to goes. And got. Yes, now 42 all in 7 minutes. This is our third deadlock of the game. 42 all. It's been Takore versus Calidia. March, 14 to shoot. 14. James. Foul. Foul on Ginita. Timeout on Calidia. 6 minutes, 51 seconds. First team foul on Takore.
Ginita second.
Second personal foul on 0-0 Ginita. Two free throw shot coming for King James. First basket, in and out. Now 43-42. Back to 1 point lead on Calidia. Yo! What a great move now, 44-43. 1 point lead on Takure.
Beng, beng. Joy! Bus na, apat!
Nice pass, Pasad. Yes, 45-46. Against the 43. 6 point lead on Takure.
Uy, double na!
14 to shoot, 14. 10.
Hawakan nyo, laki yung power! Laki pasok eh! Ano yun?
Steal. Now, Pasag. Pay. 1-1. Nice pass. Backside. On. Pasag. Now, 48-43. 5 point lead now on Takure. It's 4 minutes and 40 seconds. How? Substitution of sub-rep. Foul on number 8. On Puriolo. Balingit. 1-8 on
1-8, Saliente.
Saliente. Second team foul on Takure.
Foul, second.
Second on Saliente. 44-48. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Riolo. So, escape! Too strong. Rebound on Sablan. All alone. Samiliano. Time out on Takure. It's 46-48. 2 point lead on Takure.
Wala nang ano eh. Reward.
Pero ka gumba, siguro siya magumba. Wala, kayo yun eh. Kayo yung tayo mga kanina.
Okay, may kanina second. 5 minutes.
(48-43). 48-46. 2 point lead on Takure. 48-46. Chinita. Nice pass outside. Pay. Block by James. Now Sapiliano. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Sapiliano. 49-48. Back to 1 point lead on Calidia.
Pasok, Priuro! Ano nangyari? Eh! Injury!
In and out.
Pre! Injury!
Substitute. Sub.
Okay, iiko mo pa!
3 minutes. Air ball, King James. Whoa! Basket count and 1 on King James. 13 foul on Takure.
Lara.
Second personal foul on number 10 on Lara. 3 point lead now, Calidia. 51-48, Takure. Nagate mo by Priolo, 50 to 51. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. March. Sabiliano. Short foul. Foul on number 24. Warning for penalty on Takure.
Siyempre po.
Two minutes. Still again, may nagot na Priolo. Priolo, foul. Foul on March. First on Calidia. First personal foul against March. It's 1 minute and 41 seconds. Fifty-one all. Short. Wow! What a great move by Junita now, 53 to 51, 2-point lead on Takure. Short. Ten to shoot. Oh, Alarcon. 50 seconds. Wow, 55 to 53, 2-point lead back to Takure. 40 seconds. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. Yes, on March. 55 all. 24 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 21 on King James. Second team foul on Delia. First on King James. 55 all. 18 seconds. 15. 10. Wow! Junita! And now for third quarter, our score, 57 against 55, 2-point lead on Takure. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Takure ball, Takure.
Maglalakad na. Wala akong walking eh. Kaya naninibago yung katawan ko. Kain tulog lang, putik na yun.
Last 10 minutes. Fourth quarter. 57 against 55. 2-point lead on Takure. Short. Ibalog King James. It's 3-2. King James goes to coast. Foul. Foul on Arangues. First. Foul on Arangues.
ba naglaro ng local league?
56 to 57, 1 point lead now on Tagore. Chaliente.
Rep.
Now, Balingit. Coast to coast, drive, coast, black by King James. King James to Laton. It's 2-1, foul.
For Arangues.
Foul again on Arangues. Second personal foul on Arangues. Second team foul against Tagore. Basket substitution terap ha. $57 all. Basket substitution rep.
Bang, bang.
Kalawat rebound. Now, Balingit. Arangues. They steal again. March na lang. James, fake. Yes, on King James. Now, 2-point lead on Calendia. It's 59 against 57.
Bigay na, pasa!
40 to shoot. Chaliente. In and out. Diba again, Arangues. 8 minutes, time to shoot. Foul. Substitution rep, sub-rep. Foul on number 2 on Gibara.
Ibarra fourth person.
Fourth personal foul on Gibara. Warning on Gibara.
Isa pa!
Now 58 to 59. 1 point lead on Calendia.
Kevin! Wala, Kevin!
Whoa! Gibara! 61 to 58. Ginida. Balingit. Short. Ginida again. 14 is set clock 14. 10 to shoot. In and out. Top. Now Ginida again. 14 is set clock 14. Ow! Again short. Now March. March is 2-2. March drive. March pass to Sabillano. Pass to March. Fake. Alarcon. Yes, an Alarcon. 63-58. Time out. On Tagore. It's 5-point lead now on Carindia. 63 to 58.
Tayo, hapon! Go! Isa pa sa pre!
Royano, black by King James. It's 2-2. King James. Foul. Stepping on the line. Calendia ball. 14 to shoot, 14. 6 minutes. 10. Bang! On March. 7-point lead now on Calendia is 65 to 58. Foul. Foul on Arangues. Third personal foul on Arangues. Third team foul on Tagore. Chinika. Oriolo. Whoa! In and out. Yes, on Dinita. Now up 16 to 65. 5-point lead on Canada. 5 minutes.
5 minutes na lang.
14 to shoot. Steve Adelina. Steal on James. James. Sablan. Yes, on Sablan. 67 to 67 point lead back to Galilea. Balanghet, drive. Foul. Foul on number 21 on Sablan. Second team foul on Galilea.
Sablan, fourth personal.
Fourth personal foul on Sablan. Warning on Sablan.
Mahirap mo mag-referee. Mahirap mag-referee.
Walang tawa. Atake! Oras!
Balanghet. 10 to shoot, 10! Whoa! Purolo! 4 minutes!
Hawak!
Yes, on pass at 64 to 67. Time out on Galilea.
Galilea. Wala pa ngayon pa.
Pag natabig natin, relax natin.
Last 3 minutes and 37 seconds.
Pre, pasa agad ang bola.
Apat ka na. Tulan.
Hoy, baliktad. Ay, isang sapatos kayo. Saklan, bola. Dikit na, dikit. Dikit, oy! Dikit na. Cross, dikit, cross. Dikit, dikit.
Oh! Marks! 69 to 64. Back to 5-point lead on Galilea. Air ball. Yes on Junita.
Dikit na.
3 minutes.
Dikit. Hey, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, hey! Dikit, dikit. Ayun na.
Foul.
Oh, no.
Foul on Junita. Warning for penalty on Tagore. Sabrep.
Jinta, third person.
Third personal foul against Junita. Sabrep, Sabrep, Sab.
Ito naman.
Oh, baksaw, baksaw! Hey, 3 minuto na lang yan!
2 minutes and 51 seconds. 70 to 66. Whoa! Sablante! 68 to 70. 2-point lead now on Calidia. March. Drive. In and out. Rebound on number 24, Tagare. To Chalente. March. In James. Last 2 minutes. In and out. Whoa! Dignata! 70 all. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds. Sabiliano. 40 to shoot. Ah! In and out. Divano Chinita. Good Baliget. Too strong. Top. Now on March. 1 minute and 20 seconds. James. Ah! He's still again on Pasag. Now, Baliget. Chaliente. Too strong. Chaliente again. Shot. Top. Shot again. Rebound James. Now 1 minute. March. Top. Pow. It's 53 seconds. 53. 70 all. 53 seconds. Substitution up. Sabrap.
Pasag second personal.
Second personal foul and Pasag. Penalty now in Tagore. It's 53 seconds.
Hinga, pre, hinga. Meron. Time ikaw, sir.
71 to 70. Both teams have one timeout left. Both teams have one timeout. 53 seconds.
Pass out, pre. Ayun na.
Foul.
Wala pa.
Foul on Sablan. Sablan 5 fouls. 13 foul on Calidia. 52 seconds. 71 to 70.
Sure ball. Huwag sayangin ha. Alalay. Pasag. Diretso.
14 to shoot.
Nice shot.
35 seconds.
25 pa.
25 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Wala ha. Uli.
15 seconds. 15. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 7 seconds. Warning for penalty. Tagore. Penalty. Tagore. Penalty. 7 seconds.
Basket timeout. Timeout to isa.
Seventy-two, 70. Basket timeout, ref. Basket timeout.
Heavy!
Timeout. 1 second. 17 to all. 1 second.
Pre, 1 second lang yan ha.
magkakan pa eh. Ating magkakan pa. 70 taon.
One second. Correct penalty. Warning ang Kalidea. 1 second.
Ball game tayo.
We'll go overtime ka na. Overtime.
Yep, oras tayo.
Ilang ano yun, sir? 5 minutes lang. 5 minutes?
May plus 6 ata kami, boss. Plus 6 ata kami. Plus 7 na. Sige na. Talaglagan yun. Pre, sure ball mo, pre. Huwag mo panuwain.
Basket count.
May jump ball kayo na, may jump ball.
Get it.
Last one!
Bigay mga 15 jump ball ko.
Next, bawi. Next, bawi na ha. Bawi ha. Bawi. Ano? Vince.
Hindi na stop eh. May jump ball kayo na sir.
Next, isa lang.
Stop rep. Penalty.
Ito lang, James.
James second.
Second personal foul on James.
Wala kang gagawin.
He's in the overtime. 5 minutes session foul. Rebound ni James.
Inapag-bless.
Short. Palingin. Tupasan. Foul. Penalty. Foul ang Larcon. Penalty.
Next. Pwede nyo na to. Huwag yung kabila. Right, nabakan nyo pa. Salam! Next, ito na ako ni Mahal. Next. Sige lang. Pinasok yan.
74, type to 72. 3-point lead na on the play.
Balik kayo, huwag kayong kumpiyansa. Baba, oh.
Now march. 14 to shoot.
Huwag kang muli. Ganyan lang.
10.
Bang.
Bang on Sabillano. Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Chooks to Go. Ang Tomas Sarsa. 14 to shoot.
Gitna, arang gitna.
10. Steal by Alarcon.
Yuan! Ay, ay!
Bilisan mo, bumalik.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Huwag ka na pumaw.
Royolo. Palingin.
Gitna, Yuan, gitna.
14 to shoot. Short.
3 seconds.
10 to shoot. Air ball. Rebound of James. James.
Yuan!
1 minute and 8 seconds. 75 all. 75 all.
Yuan, gitna, Yuan. Correct, gitna. Pahinga mo naman sa tabi ng 3 points.
Black.
Bilisan mo.
Shoot!
Yo! Time out! Oh, Taguret, 77-75, 49 seconds. 2-point lead now on Calidia. Okay, it's 49 seconds. This is our overtime, 77-75. 2-point lead on Calidia. Pass out.
Screen! Screen!
30 seconds.
Baba.
14 shoot. Short.
Sayang!
And over overtime, Calidia 75-77.